Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to change the motherboard on this TV with that one right there to be able to fix it because it's showing vertical streaks. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure you got the right part. So this is the part number and it's the same one up here. Next thing you're going to do is unplug every connector that needs to be plugged into the new board. So let's do that right now. Okay, so now all the connectors have been detached. So now I'll be unscrewing all the screws that there are and popping off the motherboard. I have now removed all the screws and I should be able to pop it off. The old board has been removed. Now I have to install the new one, but first I'm going to connect the mask for the plugs on and reattach the other little board to the main one. New board has been placed down. Now I reattach all the screws to the board to keep it in place. All the screws have been put back. Now I'm gonna reinsert all of the accessories on the board. Now before reattaching the back panel, I'm gonna test the television and see if it works. Now that I've tested that the board actually works and the television is fixed, I'll be able to reinstall the back cover. But first thing I need to do is remove the feet that are right here because the cover goes on first and then the feet have to be reattached. So let's get started on that. The foot has now been removed. The screws here and the two screws over here. I can now reinstall the back panel back onto here. So I'm gonna position it and screw it back on. The back panel has been put on. Now I just need to screw the screws in. So the last screw is now going on, and then we reattach the feet. Done, and now the feet go back on. The feet are now on, so now everything is done. I can put it down and show you how it actually works. So the TV works. There's a little bit of a defect and yeah, that's probably because I found the TV, so there might be some defects from the display that I can't do anything about, but the TV works in general. I'm just playing one of my videos on the screen. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.